In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!